Okay, here we are in the Cockatiel enclosure, the brand new Cockatiel enclosure. I'm sitting in the outside far corner looking in. That's the inside, see? That's the roof. There's two little guys. There's one little guy. Got one on my shoulder. This one's one of my lovers. There's my little red-eyed guy or girl. Over there, oh, there's three of them. There's another one. That's just a Lutino, no red eyes. A little emerald right here. Over there, these are the canary wings in their own little thing. But this one here, because I'm excited, overexcited. They just got put in here. I got 3 white ones. Probably had 2. These guys are kind of freaked out over there. They're fine though. They're just getting in. See, that one's already looking at nests. Got all sorts of different types of perches. We've got bird safe poly rope. We've got wood, chain, and palm fronds to all liking. There's Carlos. Judy. There's Carlos. One guy we got from Judy. So this is it.